Yes. Trolling. Okay. So first we're gonna like dress up as a new. Actually, no, we're not. No, we're not. We're not. So shout out to this girl. She has 334 subs. She is a epic human being. An epic human being. Oh, damn. And then, oh, I have something to say. If we go to here, where is it? Oh, guys, I'm sorry. So, you could, okay. So they're in my shoes. Trading these epic shoes, and I don't think I got anything else. Just for months, no. So I'm trading these rare shoes, Deepak shoes. Yeah, so I'm trading it. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a non VIP look with either 1K, 10K, whatever. So you're gonna go shopping. You're gonna go to Beauty Clinic. So you see this, right? So you're gonna go to this. Pick anyone you want. I'm gonna pick red eyes. These kind of reddish eyes. So I'm gonna buy this. First, let's buy this. Then nose. I'm gonna do this nose. No, actually, I'm gonna keep it this nose. And this. So, of course, so we're gonna like get a skin color. Yes. We're gonna go lips. Like this. Like this. Gonna go as far as we can to try to match it. So actually we're gonna do this. Right, like here. Okay. Let's just. Good morning, everyone. I'm saying this. Rose and Alvaro from Pick is cute. A little bit like blue. That doesn't mean I'm actually a dress. Shut up! Girl, you're uncool. Frick. Your mom. Okay, so you're gonna be doing this. Look at that. So click this. Blah blah blah. Don't click any of these. Just don't. You don't need them. The nose is not really important, but it's gonna look weird. So just like pick the one you normally have, and then click this one. It's true. And then you're gonna like try to like match. Okay, see this? Okay. And that's how you make those. And then you're gonna go shopping. So that see, you only have 1K to spend on this new perfect thing. So you're just gonna like, take off the clothes on your head right now. Then you're going to just take as little. So you see this. I'm gonna try to make it scary. That's not gonna scare. So you only have 1,000. Go to hair. Find the cheapest one out of the first page. This one is the kind of Negro accessories. This 500. You need like I don't know. Or if you only have like 2 pairs of hair, get this hair. I already have this hair, so I'm gonna choose a different hair, like this. I'm gonna change the look because why not? And I'm gonna choose like a really dark for this one. And this, I have this since I have this VIP. I'm just gonna do that. You can do any color, but it's not VIP or anything. And you're just gonna go through and choose. This looks like a D-pack, doesn't it? So I'm gonna just try to like put it as a D-pack. One second. New D-pack form. So 2018 Halloween. You kidding me? You don't have it? There's the Halloween D-pack. Swear to God. Love you. Okay, see this? I might say it doesn't matter if it doesn't say it. Oh no, it doesn't. So it almost did look like it, guys. I'm just dumb in the brain. So it's saved. So what you're gonna do, since you only have like a little bit left, you're gonna like find something. So you're gonna go to like these. Bam! And then you can change the color or anything. I'm just not gonna change it yet. Since I'm just gonna choose this one. I'm just gonna put white. No, that looks weird. So we're just gonna do. So we're not gonna do that. Title. That just looks weird. These look like D-packs though. So that is, and then bam. Okay guys, let me just take off this part. That's what you look like. Non-VIP look. Right? It's true! Okay. Okay. So yeah, that's basically it. Stuff. So I'm 31K. We're just gonna take off my wish list. Hello. Non-VIP look is on. I'm dumb. Okay, well. Shout out to this human. Mwah. See you later, guys. I'm gonna link down in the description some stuff. So, like,